Hey there, have you noticed how short form videos are taking over in 2025? Let's talk about why these bite-sized clips are absolutely crushing it and what means for you, whether you are a creator or just love to scroll. First off, people want things fast. These days, our attention spans are shorter than ever with so much watch out there. You have literally got just a few seconds to grab someone's attention or they will swipe on the next thing. That's exactly why platforms like TikTok, Instagram, Reels, and YouTube Shorts have exploded. Your short videos are what people want and the algorithm know it. That's why these platforms push short form clips to the top, helping both creators and brands get seen by way more people. On mobile, it's even more obvious. Most people or most of us are on the go, so we want content that's quick, fun, and easy and digest. Did you know that by the 2025, short form videos will be expected to make up 90% of the all internet traffic? Crazy, yeah? And more than half of all of the videos on the mobile are now for short clips. Brands love these too. Short videos bring almost 2.5 times more engagement than anything longer. But it's not just about numbers. Short videos make us feel good. That quick burst entertainment or knowledge gives us a little dopamine hit and keeps us coming back more. That's why you find yourself scrolling and suddenly an hour has gone by. For brand and creators, this is a goldmine. Short videos are cheaper to make, easier to share, and they go viral way more than often. Tutorials, micro learnings, product demos, it all works way better in short form. Plus AI and algorithms personalize our feed so well. We are almost always seeing something that feels made just for us. So is long form video dead? Not really. Deep dives and detailed explainers still matters, especially someone wants to really learn or connect with the topic. But here's the thing, most people find that long content through you guys that these little short videos first. So if you're creating or just enjoying content, embarrassing short form video is the way to go. It's fast, fun, super shareable, and right now it's where the action is. Thanks for watching the video and keep scrolling.